Hello. This video will be covering the Career Transitions program we will be continuing next year. At the beginning of each year, we will have career interest surveys that will be given to all students. These surveys will be used to send student-specific reminders and invitation regarding various career exploration events we'll have here at the high school. There are a couple of events that will be open to students in grades 9 through 12. One of those is a career lunch. So these are open to all students during lunches. Students may receive invitations or be asked to attend based on the survey they filled out at the beginning of the year. And the goal of these lunches are for students to learn about the day in the life of a career and the pathway the presenter took to get to that career field. Students are able to ask questions about expectations, salary, and the education required in order to get a job. We will also have career class presentations. These presentations will take place in a classroom and be related to the course material and topics. So teachers are inviting these community members to join the class. This will occur throughout the 4 years of high school, and it's an opportunity to learn more about the application of that course curriculum in the real world. As students move into their sophomore and junior years, we will be offering career field trips. These field trips are offered during the school year and allow groups of students to visit a company to learn more about the careers that exist at that company. This could be through a classroom trip or a student sign-up invitation process. This is a great opportunity to witness the career in action and get to talk with individuals who do that type of job on a daily basis. As we move into the 11th grade, we're going to start offering more job shadowing opportunities. This is where individuals or small groups of students would shadow an employee in a particular career field. It's typically a short experience. So, for example, we have a Mercy Health shadowing program where you shadow different types of careers for a total of 20 hours. Or it could be something as simple as spending one day shadowing someone outside of the building. An in-depth look at what that career is like and the characteristics and qualities that help a person find work satisfaction are the goals that we have for these job shadowing experiences. We will also be continuing to offer 2 types of internships. Right now, we have one relationship with Siemens Corporation, and that is an internship for students interested in computer science careers. And we also have an internship opportunity available with Mercy Health Wellington Orthopedic, which is a medical field internship with a strong focus in sports rehabilitation. So for these district managed internships, students submit the application to the school and then are selected by a committee of school representatives and in turn then interview with the company. So selected students might participate in an orientation and a meeting related to that opportunity. There are a limited number of spots available based on the internship site. We are also open to employer-managed internships. And in this situation, a student might identify a company or business that is willing to host high school interns. Some examples from this year's employer-managed internships include internships with the Newport Aquarium, with an HVAC company, and we also had students who worked with one of the senators on their campaign. And so all of those opportunities counted towards these employer-managed internships. In this situation, the students apply directly to the company and then submit an internship agreement application to the school so that way we can verify credit. Students might participate in a school-based orientation meeting, and they are required to participate in any employer-required trainings as well. Our goal is that by the end of the senior year, the student is able to graduate with an in-depth knowledge of what the work environment is like and a good idea of what career field they're interested in pursuing. So we have had information that highly selective schools such as MIT, Ivy League schools are now requiring students to have an internship or related career experience in order to be accepted to those schools. So these experiences can be extremely valuable in helping you plan and succeed in those life after high school pathways. If you're interested in applying for an internship, the applications can be found on the milfordschools.org website, and you can get there by going to bit.ly/MHS counseling. And then we hope to continue a summer cohort for our medical field internships this year. So make sure to get your application in early if you're interested in participating in that experience. And keep an eye out for updates and deadlines. So I will send out that information via remind text messages and school email. And you can also contact me, Mrs. Emmons, at 513-576-2204 or at emmons_e@milfordschools.org with questions. So again, keep an eye out for those updates, those deadlines, and you can find the internship applications on the school website at milfordschools.org underneath the school counseling department. Thanks for your attention, and again, please let me know if you have any questions.